Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone. Today we will gonna show you a video that provides tutorial and some technology tips on how to use Google Classroom for the beginners. As we know, Google Classroom is one of the blended learning platform that aims to simplify creating, distributing, and grading assignments in a form of electronic format. It also enables users to organize assignments quickly and easily communicate with their classes. So basically, this system is called LMS, which is Learning Management System. And with the latest updates by Google, it has made Google Classroom a most complete system for users, especially in the field of online teaching and learning. So the first step that you need to do in getting logged into Google Classroom is you must navigating the login page by entering classroom.google.com in the URL box here. And now you will find that the website will appear like this. As you can see in the middle of the page, you will notice a blue button that says Go to Classroom. So you just click on that button. So for the first time users, maybe they will ask you to sign in into your Google account by placing your official email here and enter your password. So at this point, you will see the pop-up page that recommended you to verify the account that you are trying to sign into. So before that, please check your email here, and if everything looks okay, click continue button here. So once you have signed in and gotten into your class dashboard, click the plus button here, and you can choose either to create or join a class. So let's say if you want to create a class, you just click create a class here, and then you will get a little bit warning pop-up here. So before that, please make sure that you have a free G Suite for Education account through your school or universities to avoid any problems. So after you have read and understand the notice, you can check this box and then click continue. And now you will begin to create your class here. For example, let's say if you have decided to offer a class for those who want to learn English language. So you can just type anything possible which related as the title of this class. For example, Introduction to English. And then you can fill up the section and select what are the subject or subtopic that you want to focus for, and maybe you can enter the room number of your class and then click create here. So basically there are 4 main sections here in Google Classroom that you need to familiar with in order to successful with the program. We have stream, classwork, people, and mark section. So now let us start with stream section. As we know, stream allows you to communicate with your class. You can also post an announcement and you can give any response to your student posts. So now, let's see how you can use stream to send information to your student. So what you need to do is, you can just click on the empty box here to create a schedule or any announcement to inform your students about any updates and so on. So here you can confirm your class, and now Google Classroom wants you to decide who is the intended audience here. But in this case, we only have one classes, which is Introduction to English, but it's okay for the tutorial. So after that, you can decide if you want to send this to all students or to a subset of those students of your class. So now you can post your announcement here by typing in the text area. Okay, so now you can click post and your student will be able to see the announcement immediately, like this. But if you want to, you can also attach items to this announcement by click add on the left side of the box here. So there are 4 ways for you to attach any links or document related to the class, such as Google Drive, link, file, or YouTube. Now let's say if you want to attach document, so you can do that by clicking file symbol here, and then you can just uploading it from your computer by click this button. Besides, you also can go to your list of recent document, your Google Drive, or maybe you have shared with another drives, and you can also go to the started items here. And if you want to attach documents from any websites, you also can click this link icon, and then you can just put links here from any website or sources from the internet. If you want to insert any videos, you can also do that by clicking YouTube here. And then you can attach it by using the URL, or maybe you can search it manually. So for example, let's say if you want to search Introduction to English, just click search button here. And it will be like this, so you can choose any videos that related to the topic. In addition, you can also change themes of your class here randomly by clicking select themes. And now you can choose any themes that you want. Or maybe you want to add profile picture by clicking upload photo here. And you can select photo from your computer by clicking this button. So basically, these are some really good settings that you can use to pull documents or files into your announcement and attach them easily by using Stream. So now let's move on into the classwork section. So in this section, you can assign works and assignment to your class here. Besides, you also can create assignments and questions. You can also use topics to organize classwork into modules or units. You can also keep the work in order the way that you want students to see it. So firstly, we are going to start by creating a topic. What you need to do is just click create button here, choose topic, and then you can create your topic here. So let's say if the topic is going to be basic English conversation. So you just click here and then type basic English conversation. After that, click add. So basically, each of the topic is like a module or unit of study in class. So in order to fill up the topic, click create and you can choose assignment. After that, you can fill out the title here, and let's say the title is going to be Greetings. And maybe you can add some instruction here, and it will be optional for you either to create or not. You also can assign and change the points here in order for grading your student works. Just click on these points and you can change any points that you want. So it will be saved automatically. After that, you will be recommended to select the due date and time for the submission. Just click, choose the due date and time. You can also change the topic to be more specific and attach the rubric if necessary. So if everything looks okay, just click Assign here. So now you can see the details of your works here that you have been created. In the classwork section, you also can create a quiz assignment. Maybe you want to add question to ask, or you also can attach any reading materials that related to the topic for your students. If you want to see how many people have been assigned, you can click on that particular items, and you can actually view the assignment itself by clicking View Assignments here. So now you can find the students who have done with their work or not, and then you can also grade and review their works as necessary. Next, we were gonna take a look on People section. And here you can organize students and teachers that are in the class. So we will show you how to add people to the course. The first step that you need to do is you just click Invite Student buttons here. After that, you can type their name, or maybe you can invite them through an email address of your student. So if you see that email, just click it and then press the invite button here. So now you already have student here. So just in case, maybe your student want to sign in into their own Google Classroom account, so they can add a class by using this code here that will be displayed in Stream section. Lastly, we will go through to the Mark section. So in this section, you can set up your marking system and grading your students here. So the things that you need to do is just go to the class settings here, and then you just scroll down until you can see the marking option below in order to customize it if necessary. So in the marking option here, we have mark calculation and mark categories. For the mark calculation, you can see overall mark calculated by click this, and you can choose a grading system here, and then you can show overall marks to your students by clicking this icon. Besides, you can also add mark categories of your student works here. So after that, you can click Save. If you want to go back and see all of your classes, just click three lines here and select Classes. So basically, Google Classroom is one of the learning platforms that very easy to handle, and you can organize the content in a proper way. So we hope this basic tutorial can be helpful. That's all for today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.